In today's video, I'll show you how to reload folders in the File Explorer on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So as you can see on my computer in File Explorer, I have multiple folders open. And now if some of them is not responding or I'm facing any bugs or issues, I can reload them. To reload them, what I can do is just simply go ahead and right click on my taskbar, then just go to Task Manager. I can then expand my task manager. From here, find Windows Explorer and right click on it and click on Restart. This is gonna restart the entire Explorer for me and all the folders will be closed out. Now I can go back into my File Explorer and open those folder again. And there's a recent history. So if I can right click here, I'll see that frequently used, whatever I opened recently will be here as well. So I can just click on them one by one and they will open up. And basically that is how to reload folders in File Explorer on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.